Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the market is doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So starting with the market, the benchmark indices, both the Nifty and the Sensex, have hit fresh record high today. While Nifty is up more than 100 points, that's up almost 0.5% in trade today, trading about the 17,600 levels, while the Sensex is trading about the 59,100 levels as well, up almost 0.6% in trade. Broader markets, on the other hand, are slightly underperforming the benchmark indices. Nonetheless, they are performing in the green. Both the mid-cap and the small-cap space is up 0.3% in trade as well, so surely keep an eye out on that. But what is leading the rally today is the PSU banks. The Nifty PSU bank sector is up 4% in trade today, followed by FMCG and energy, which is up 1% each in trade as well, more than 1% each in trade, while what is being the top sectoral laggards is the Nifty media as well as the Nifty metal space, which is down in trade and trading in the red today. But now let's go across and look at the individual stock movers in trade today. So today, obviously, let's talk about the much talked about stock is ITC, and it had been underperforming for a while compared to the other FMCG stocks. So today what is happening is that it has extended gains. Today it was up almost 7% in trade intraday. That's up most since May 21st, 2020. So 21st May 2020, and now it is trading at highest since 9th of Feb. So surely a good move that we're seeing coming in the stock. The stock is up 13% YTD, while it is up 31% in the last 1 year. Possibly what could be the reasons is one, increase in consumption of cigarettes, as we're seeing unlock coming in, gradually things are opening up, so that improving FMCG metrics is. Hospital occupancy also could be seeing improving, as well as the current valuations. If you look at for ITC, they have ignored the multiple positives that we could be seeing coming in from the FMCG business. This could be the possible reason for the rally, but that's something we'll keep an eye out on. Currently, ITC is trading at a discount compared to other FMCG peers as well. So finally, a rally, a nice up move that we're seeing coming in ITC. Other than that, we do have Vodafone Idea also, which is in focus today. The stock is up 2%, more than 2% in trade after yesterday we saw that a 4-year moratorium on the AGR dues as well as the spectrum dues is starting from the 1st of October 2021, and these dues are to be cleared in 5 equal installments post the moratorium lifts. Now, obviously, we have certain brokerage notes also coming in. They believe that this is the most noteworthy was the 4-year moratorium as well as the AGR spectrum dues coming in for the telecom space, and this measure is particularly going to be very meaningful for Vodafone Idea, because this significant cash flow relief for Vodafone Idea, which is adding up to around 240 billion rupees per year, is what Citi is saying. So surely Vodafone Idea does have a slight bit of a positive coming in for the company. Slightly much more than that positive coming in for the company, and that's why an up move in the stock as well. We do have Hind Copper, which is in focus as well today. The stock has fallen as much as 4 to 5% in trade, actually, after the government has proposed to sell almost 10% stake in the state-run copper mine via OFS, which is starting today at a floor price of 116 rupees per share. So surely keep an eye out on that as well. Then we do have Fineotex Chemicals, Fineotex Chemicals, which is in focus today. It surged as much as 10 to 11% in trade after the company has entered into a strategic collaboration with Belgium's Eurodye-CTC to commercialize speciality chemicals for the Indian market. Motiwala FinCorp is another stock which is tanking in trade. It's hit the lower limit. It's down 5% after the securities market regulator has prohibited the company's managing director Abhay Buttada and 7 others for dealing in securities for allegedly including insider trading in shares of Magma FinCorp. So that is why Motiwala FinCorp is tanking in trade today. And lastly, we do have auto ancillary stocks which have been in focus. So you say Sona, Comstar, Minda, Bosch, which are up more than 3% in trade after the PLI scheme was announced for manufacturers, and especially focusing on the EV components. So this does give these ancillaries a benefit, because some of them are producing these EV components. So industry will get a boost, plus localization is also going to get a boost. So that is why we're seeing these auto ang stocks which are buzzing in trade as well. And let's keep an eye out on how they end in trade as well.